Ich spare auch Geld, also entweder halt versuche ich ETF-Sparpläne anzulegen mit meinen Eltern zusammen oder halt selber Geld wegpacken monatlich, aber halt auf jeden Fall nicht Sparkonto oder halt liegen lassen.
Germany's DAX touching an all-time high as a broader European stock 600 surged to levels not seen since February of last year.
Und aber legst du das Geld auf ein anderes Konto oder investierst du das oder?
Ich mache damit ehrlich gesagt nichts.
We all know that investing in Germany is always a good idea, but most of us end up not investing in Germany. I say because of two reasons basically. First, lack of knowledge about investing in Germany and overall investing. And the second phenomena which I saw was delaying the investments. Not today, not today, not today. So it ends up never being able to invest in Germany or invest at all. So on this YouTube channels, I will be creating two playlists answering why to invest in Germany and where to invest in Germany. Why to invest in Germany has aspects like inflation, bank interest rates, so on and so forth. We'll discuss about it. And then where to invest in Germany, which has more than 7 to 10 ways or 7 to 10 asset classes. Basically, I am a value investor and I have been investing in the Indian stock market since a long time ago. I have created some good amount of money from Indian stock market, which has also led me to buy my ticket here for Germany. Investing is an art which rich people use to be financially free. As Warren Buffett once said, that if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. And that's true. I have seen people working for 40 and 50 years. They don't know that number towards which they are heading. Through this YouTube channel, I will be sharing with you how you can grow financially, personally, and intellectually. I will be sharing some business insights, some tax benefits, some tips and tricks from my side which I have been using. Thank you for watching. I'll say
You are so very welcome.